Hello everyone! Welcome to my first quick lesson on the simple present tense. So, what is simple present? I use it to talk about things that happen regularly, facts that never change, and even routines. Let's break it down with some easy examples. First, for daily routines, she is a housewife. She does a lot of household chores every day. They are students. They go to university, but they don't study at the weekend. Second, for general truths. The sun sets in the west. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Third, for schedules and timetables. The plane to London takes off at 8 a.m. The film begins at 10 p.m. And yes, I can even use it for sports and stories. Ronaldo kicks the ball and scores the goal. Julia Roberts acts brilliantly in the film Notting Hill. Now, let's talk about adverbs of frequency. Words like always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never. Here's a tip. Never use not with never, seldom, or rarely. So don't say, I don't never wake up at 7 o'clock. Say, I never wake up at 7 o'clock. Where do these words go? Before the main verb. She often plays golf. After be, they are always hungry. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. They study at university. They don't study at the weekend. Do they study at the weekend? Great job. Keep learning and shining with English Glider. Don't forget to hit the follow button for more tense lessons. See you next time.